46 feet. It's crazy.
You sound like you didn't believe it.
No, I didn't. No.
You believe it now.
Oh, hell yes.
That's a car.
Right about maybe 4 steps up.
From where you are?
Yeah, so the step I'm stepping on, it would have been underwater.
What happens now is the water goes down.
Yeah.
Then people come in to see the damage. Then we start the stuff like, the power's been out a couple of days, refrigerator full of rotten food, water in the house, mud in the driveway, trees blocking, that kind of stuff. We got to start clearing roads.
You've seen this script.
Oh, yeah.